Gattu Chinky's lemonade stand. It was lunch break. Gattu, Chinky, Bunty and Goody were sitting in their classroom and having lunch together.
Chinky, today is very hot, isn't it? I am going to drink chill juice as soon as I go home.
Yes, Gattu. The same juice that Papa bought yesterday, right? It was very yummy. Then I think Bunty and I will also join you, Gattu Chinky. We also want to taste that tasty juice.
Everyone started laughing. That is when Gattu and Chinky's class teacher entered the class. All the kids stood up to greet her.
Sit down, student. I want to share something very interesting with you all.
What is it, ma'am?
Students, our school is organizing a fair this year, and all of you have to make a pair and set up a stall. What? Stalls? I don't understand, ma'am. That means all of you have to form a pair with someone else and set up a stall where you would sell some homemade things, and there will be a senior student to guide you in this, and the money you will earn from these stalls will be donated. And that's not it. The stall visited by most of the people will be a winner and receive the prize.
Ma'am left the classroom after the announcement. Then Gattu, Chinky, Bunty and Goody decided that they would meet in the park in the evening to decide who would do what. Then they gathered in the park as decided.
So, what you guys have thought? What are you going to sell on the stall? Hari and I are on one team. We are going to make some beautiful paintings that people can hang in their home to decorate it. I am sure most number of people are going to buy our paintings. You will see it. Bunty and I have decided to make cute and pretty pen stands. I have even watched some DIY videos on the internet. It's going to be fun.
Chinky became a little sad hearing this and said to Gattu,
Gattu, they have some amazing ideas and we have not decided anything till now. I don't want to lose the competition.
You don't worry, Chinky. We will also find a good idea, I'm sure.
That is when Chinky got thirsty and she ran home to drink water. Mummy was working in the kitchen.
Mummy, where have you kept the juice that Papa bought? I am very thirsty.
Oh, Chinky, there is no juice left. We had some guests in the afternoon, but you can do one thing. There are some lemons in the fridge. You can use them to make lemonade.
Lemonade? Alright, Mummy, this is a fantastic idea. I will prepare it for Gattu, Goody and all the other friends.
Chinky took some lemons and extracted their juice. Then she added some sugar syrup along with water to it and made lemonade.
Wow, Mummy, this is very tasty. It is chilled and very refreshing.
That is when Gattu along with their friends came over there.
Come on, guys, have this lemonade. I have just prepared for you all.
They all drank the lemonade and they all loved it.
Wow, Chinky, this is very tasty. I feel very energetic after drinking this.
Thank you, Gattu.
Then Chinky started thinking and she got an idea.
Idea, Gattu, how about setting up a lemonade stand?
Yes, Gattu Chinky, people will definitely love your lemonade. When everyone gets tired after visiting all the other kids' stalls, they will come to your stall to drink lemonade.
Gattu and Chinky liked this idea very much, so they decided to set up a lemonade stall at the school fair. Finally, the day of the fair arrived. Gattu and Chinky's lemonade stall was all set. Meera Didi was guiding both of them, who was senior to them.
So, Gattu Chinky, everything is ready?
Yes, Didi. We have prepared tasty and cool lemonade.
And we have also arranged these disposable glasses.
And here is the dustbin, Didi. I will make sure that everyone throw their dirty glasses and other garbage in the bin only.
Alright then, the school fair will start very soon and people will start coming. Till then, if you want, you can go and check your friends' stalls. I will handle this stall till then.
Gattu and Chinky loved this idea. They went to visit Pinky, Hari, Goody and Bunty's stall.
Wow, Pinky, your paintings are really very beautiful. Make sure to save a painting for me. I will come to buy one in the end for sure.
And Goody Bunty, I like this yellow colored pen stand very much. I am going to buy this one, huh? So save this one for me. Don't sell it to anyone.
Thank you, Gattu. I will definitely keep this one aside. Your lemonade stall is looking very pretty. I'm sure many people will visit it.
Then Gattu and Chinky's class teacher came over there.
Gattu, Chinky, what you guys are doing here? Come on, go to your stalls quickly. It is time. People will start coming soon.
Okay, ma'am.
Gattu and Chinky went to their stall, where Meera Didi was waiting for them. Very soon, people started arriving at the school fair. People were visiting different stalls and checking the things kept for sale. Many people were visiting Gattu and Chinky's lemonade stall too. Gattu and Chinky were giving them lemonade in disposable glasses. Meera Didi was taking money from these people and keeping it in a box.
Wow, Gattu. It seems people love our lemonade. I think we will be able to sell everything very soon.
Yes, Chinky, but don't waste your time in talking. We have lot of people waiting in line and we have to give them lemonade. Hurry up.
Okay, Gattu. All right.
Gattu and Chinky were working very hard. After some time, they were able to sell all of the lemonade. Gattu and Chinky were very tired and sat on the chairs. That is when their class teacher visited their stall.
Gattu, Chinky, I must say that I really liked your stall. Well, can you give me a glass of chilled lemonade? Thank you, ma'am, but all the lemonade has been sold out.
No, Gattu. Actually, I saved a glass of lemonade for ma'am. I kept it aside. Here, please take this, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Chinky. This is really very refreshing. Ma'am, we have earned a lot of money today. Now we will be able to donate more money. Yes, ma'am. We have collected more money than our set target. Yes, kids. You guys have done a wonderful job. The largest number of people visited your stall at the school fair. Very good.
In the end, Gattu and Chinky donated all the money they had earned from a lemonade stall, and it made them very happy. Open bus ride. It was morning time, and Gattu and Chinky had got up early without mummy's help and got ready for school. Everyone was sitting at the table and having breakfast. Gattu, Chinky, you got ready on time today. What's the matter?
Yes, Papa. That is because today our school is taking our class for an open bus ride and we are very excited about it. Yes, Papa. It is going to be a lot of fun today. Do you know that the bus will not have a roof? It will be open from the upper side.
Yes, Gattu, that's true. That is the meaning of an open bus.
Yes, Papa. Hurry up. Please drop us at the school. I really can't wait to ride such a bus.
All right, but first finish your breakfast, both of you. And for your lunch, I have baked your favorite chocolate chips cookies too.
Wow, Mummy. Have you packed some more for Goody? Yes, Mummy, and for Bunty too.
Of course, dear. For them too. Now finish your breakfast and get ready. Papa will drop you at school. Both of you are getting late.
After finishing their breakfast, Papa dropped Gattu and Chinky at their school gate. Gattu and Chinky's class teacher and their friends were there at the school gate. All of them were waiting for the bus. Gattu and Chinky quickly said goodbye to Papa and went to stand next to Bunty and Goody.
Chinky, why you guys were so late? See, the bus is about to arrive. Goody, I was so excited that I couldn't sleep at night. In the morning also I got up early, but Mummy was baking her favorite chocolate chips cookies, due to which we got late. Wow, cookies! Do you know, my mummy had prepared sandwiches. And my mummy has sent a lot of fruits.
They were talking to each other when the bus arrived. The bus driver said hello to all the children and gave them some instructions.
So kids, once you guys sit on your places and the bus starts running, no one will stand up or take their hands out. And you will have lunch only when we stop somewhere at lunchtime. No one will open their tiffin before that. And yes, no one will do any kind of mischief. Okay?
Okay, Uncle.
Kids sat at their places on the bus and their trip started.
Students, in today's open bus ride, I will be your guide. I will tell you about the places that we are going to see on this ride and what route the bus will follow to move forward. You must listen to me very carefully. Only then you will have real fun. Okay, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
So, kids, the first thing we are going to visit is Haji Ali Dargah. Kids, Haji Ali Dargah is the tomb of Haji Ali Shah Bukhari. He was a Sufi saint from Uzbekistan. Do you know? Many films were shot here, and this dargah was built in the year 1431. That means it is 592 years old.
What? 500 years old?
Yes, kids.
The bus moves forward.
Now we are going towards Girgaon Chowpatty. So can anybody tell me about the speech? I think most of you know about it, right?
Ma'am, please let Gattu answer this question. He will tell you some best thing about it.
Okay, Gattu, tell us. We are listening.
Ma'am, the golgappe sold over here are the best in the whole of Mumbai. But pav bhaji and kala khatta are even tastier than that. And yes, ma'am, this is the place where Ganesh Visarjan is done in a grand way.
Very good, Gattu. It was a nice description. Kids, I think all of you know what this place is, right? Worli Sea Face.
Yes, teacher. I have come here many times with my mummy and papa. Me too.
Yes, kids. This is one of the most beautiful places in Mumbai. And also the best place to spend time with your family. And lots of celebrities also live near this place. Because this is a very beautiful location.
Chinky, this is so much fun, right? This view is so mesmerizing. Even the weather is nice. Yes, Gattu, we have gone to picnics so many times. But this open bus ride is a different kind of fun.
Kids, now we are in front of Siddhivinayak temple. Please take blessings, everyone. All of you must be aware of this Mumbai's very famous temple. And a lot of people from all over the world come here for darshan.
Yes, my papa told me that on Tuesday this place is very crowdy.
He is right, Hari. And kids, this is a high court. I'm sure you all must be aware what happens here.
Yes, ma'am. Court gives us justice.
Yes, Hari, correct. Kids, High Court of Mumbai is one of the oldest high courts in India. It was built during the British era. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And kids, now we are at Gateway of India.
All the kids were watching with excitement from their seats.
Kids, I'm sure you must have all read about Gateway of India in your GK class, right?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Then tell me, when was Gateway of India built and why was it built? Chinky, you tell me.
Ma'am, it was built in 1911.
Very good. Goody, tell me, why was it built?
Teacher, when King Emperor George V came to India to welcome him, Gateway of India was built.
Very good, Goody. So kids, with this our tour has now ended and now we are going back to our school. But till then, one by one tell me what was your favorite part of this ride?
Ma'am, I like the beautiful Worli Sea Face the most. The view over there was very nice. Yes, ma'am, I liked it too. Ma'am, my favorite place was the beach. I wanted to eat pav bhaji by seeing the beach.
What about you, Chinky and Hari? What's your favorite part?
Ma'am, I have visited most of these locations. So my favorite part of this ride was roaming in the open bus. Because I never had so much fun before.
Oh, good. I'm very glad to hear that all of you enjoyed this ride so much.
In this way, kids finished their open bus ride and their parents came to pick them up from school. Gattu and Chinky told Papa about their trip and went home.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.